Welcome friends to a very special occasion because today we are building the ultimate IKEA gaming setup. Now you might be asking, IKEA gaming setup, and that is because they have a brand new collaboration with ROG, and therefore IKEA wanted to sponsor us to build out not only a wide variety of excellent gaming accessories and desk setup related activities, but on top of that, we also have a brand new studio. What fortuitous timing, so that this very empty white studio with nothing but the beginnings of our lighting rig can then be upgraded to, instead of do work, power our gaming needs. So I think we need to start building.
Who's we?
I'm using the royal we here as in it's a team effort. No, it's not. We're gonna be here. Do you want to go home tonight?
I mean, I don't have a family to go back to, so.
Okay, touche. Oh no, I just realized I have to say Swedish words in this video.
You can't pronounce regular English words.
I know. I would like to sincerely apologize to our kind sponsors at IKEA for butchering the Swedish language. So this is the upspell.
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 There's no umlaut.
The upspell.
Upspell.
So this is
I'm gonna build a desk, okay? So what's cool about this is that my funny bone.
We love seeing you in pain. So normally, someone would build this on their own, but Austin has enlisted the help of the crew.
Well, yeah, what do you think, we're actually gonna be here all day? There's a lot to build here, and we gotta build a whole PC.
I've done more in 12 seconds than he did in 2 hours.
That is actually
2 hours? We've been here for 5 minutes!
That looks more like a table than what he was doing the whole time.
Clearly, since I'm not necessary here, I'll just see y'all when it's done. Enjoy.
Wait, no.
I'll just play the games on it. I'll just have a good time. Y'all have fun, like, I
If
don't
you
know.
guys want to see how the real videos go, that's exactly it.
Austin doesn't actually build his PCs.
Here's how the video goes. All right, so let's get started. Cut. All right, I'll see you guys later. So, is that full extended? So is this really the size? I mean, I guess that looks about right, huh? Should get down?
Always get the power quad.
Because it's not plugged in yet.
This is so much worse than
No,
normal.
I'm gaming. I'm a gamer right now. All right, so now that we've got most of the desk put together, it's time to crack open what I can certainly hope is our tabletop. This looks roughly tabletop sized and shaped. Now, I've seen what this looks like, and it is a pretty cool design. Now, the cool thing about this is that you actually can build it in one of two ways. You can actually build this and put this together either with this being the front or the other side being the front if you want to have your chair a little bit closer.
Or cable management.
So, with our desk assembled, we're gonna do a little protection here as we build the rest of our stuff for no reason like no one trusts me to not scratch up our fine new tabletop with wild power tool usage. That's clearly not gonna happen. So why don't we start working on the desk chair next? Let's open this up on the floor, now that I say that. Now I'm like really being paranoid. I don't wanna ruin anything. This one actually is not even that hard. Matchspiel seems like a really simple, easy name to say, but I have no confidence in saying anything that is remotely Swedish. Woo! I like the little red accent. That is pretty nice.
What?
Oh, the cush is real.
You don't even know if that's the part you sit on.
Ooh, the cush is real. Oh, the red wheels, actually a nice touch though. That's actually a nice touch. Watch this. Ready? Ready?
Yeah.
Got it. One in. Thanks, Jared, I appreciate the enthusiasm. Ken, how many years did you go to film school for?
4.
Did those years of film school teach you how to watch me put together chairs?
No.
Did you learn how to elegantly capture the chair building process?
Nope.
And so we are almost done building. So the next step is to check our ROG PC that we've put together to see if it actually will work. And if it does, fingers crossed, we'll be ready to actually start cleaning up. So, is everyone ready? So that's supposed to do something. Oh, I see RGB. Okay, we have power now. All right, now that we have successfully turned on the power strip, let us see if the system works. Hey! That's a lot of fans. It's a little loud, but that's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 fans.
Oh,
Hey!
good.
Okay, all right. All right, so at this point, we just need to finish up installing everything on the PC, clean and tidy a little bit, and we should be ready to show off the ultimate IKEA gaming setup. Welcome to our ultimate IKEA gaming setup. Not only do we have pretty much the entire lineup of ROG IKEA products, but also we've got them incredibly well lit, thanks to Ken, who definitely spent several hours getting this set shot exactly perfect. And then I start moving around and he gets mad at me. Look at this. Look at how smooth my chair is. Do you see? Look, I'm gonna do one tilt. Ready? How many spins can I get? That's 1. It's 2. So one of the nice things about this chair is that it is incredibly comfortable. Not only does the match feature fully adjustable armrests and a fully adjustable headrest, but it also has that smooth swivel action and the seat and the backrest all move together, which actually is legitimately really nice when you're gaming. If you want to sit up straight, you've got the support, but if you want to actually lean back and relax, especially with that headrest, man, oh, I could take a nap here after I pwn the noobs. Yeah, I said that with a straight face. Y'all just have to live with it. What you'll also see is our incredibly fast standing desk. So right now it's all the way down, but watch this. With the dual motor design, that might be one of the fastest standing desks I've ever tried. And the nice thing about this collaboration that IKEA have done with ROG is the fact that you can get all this for a very reasonable price. The value is there, but you also got the aesthetic, especially if you are a fan of ROG. You get little Easter eggs everywhere between the graphics on like the table legs, and of course, we've gone all out with this setup. So we have a little bit of everything, but you can see that it really kind of works well together, which is especially helpful for me because oftentimes when I try to design something, I'm like, I don't know. And then either Ken does it, or we can just let ROG and IKEA do all the work for us and get that sweet cohesive design. Also, this has a screen, which I find very useful. And you also have presets on the desk, so you can have it exactly set up to go like 1, 2, 3 for your various different sitting and standing modes. Now, I am personally a big proponent of standing desks. I use one at home, I use one at the office, and that is entirely because it feels to me far, far healthier to actually be able to stand while you're working or even while you're gaming. Speaking of the PC, you can see that we have put together a system. Now, for this video, we opted to put it on top of the desk, although there is, as part of this collaboration with ROG, they actually do have a stand which is specifically for a computer tower. So if you want, you can kind of get it off to the side, although considering just how large this desk is, I feel like it actually looks pretty nice to have it all one piece. As you can see, we also have a lot of the other accessories. So we've got what probably is my favorite accessory here. We've got the hand which can hold our ROG headphones. You also have this very cool little ring light and phone combination, which I'm going to switch over to now. So this is what it looks like when I'm recording with my phone using this beautiful ring light. So of course, when you're on a Zoom call, or really specifically if you're a content creator, something like this is a super easy setup to get going. Now, yes, it may not be quite as seamless looking as this beautifully lit footage that Ken has spent hours setting up, but the nice thing is it's an easy way to do a little bit of like Twitch streaming or Instagram Live or whatever the case is from the comfort of your brand new desk. It also has a phone holder as well as the ring light built into one. You can change the color temperature and you can also change the brightness.
Most importantly, it has a gooseneck.
It does. Although I will say, as with all ring lights, if you are a glasses wearer such as myself, you may want to consider different lighting selection. No, I'm not gonna do LASIK. I'm not gonna do LASIK. No, look, here's the thing, right? Ring lights look great for everyone who doesn't wear glasses.
Contacts.
So, you know, some of us like the look of glasses. All 3 of us are wearing glasses right now. And then if you're feeling like you need a little bit of extra comfort in your life, may I suggest this beautiful pillow, which not only you can easily stick your arms through, but it has a little bit of a secret. I am the gaming master now. Wait, did I put it on backwards? I put it on backwards.
You put it on backwards.
Oh, look. Look how comfortable I am now. That's all. I just really wanted an excuse to pull this out. How nice is this? And I still have my armholes. The cabinet is also incredibly useful. Not only does it have wheels as well as it has a little headphone holder on the side, but it also is a great place to store things like snacks or, I don't know, extra gaming accessories. Although I will say, having the pegboard does make it really nice to have all of your controllers and extra mice and all that kind of stuff nicely displayed. Obviously, IKEA are well known for making furniture. I would bet the majority of those of you who are watching have some kind of IKEA furniture somewhere. But the nice thing is now they've got this gaming line, to me it's such a vibe, right? And I know that the dude with the cactus shirt telling you about a vibe is probably not the #1 person I listen to advice for. But when you put all this together, not only does it look nice, but unlike some stuff which is very gamery, this is a little bit more of a subdued aesthetic. Like the ROG stuff, I think to me it adds just a little bit of texture to things, but it works well together. It's not overly like in your face, like, ah! That's what it feels like to me. Okay, this is my personal truth. Did a lot of gaming stuff, feels like that. And this feels like a properly, like the atmosphere is really here. And that's something I really appreciate. So if you're interested in learning more about any of the fine accessories and pieces of product that we have in this video, definitely be sure to go check them out at the link in the description. And of course, huge shout out to IKEA for sponsoring this video and allowing us to go completely crazy and build what I think is really the ultimate IKEA gaming setup.